Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing incredible out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here to wrap up the conclusion of this trade I had going on the USD JPY pair here for the NADEX 5-minute binary options. In this position, you can see on the chart here, we have a well-established upward trend as indicated by the center Bollinger Band and the Bollinger Band trending to the up direction. You can see what I'm circling here is the bullish engulfing candle that is leaping just beyond our strike of entry here, breaking into a higher high for this continued uptrend. With just about 5 seconds remaining here, we will go ahead and take a full profit on this position here for just under a $150 profit after fees. Absolutely fantastic profit there for that short-term entry. So over the next 4 minutes, I will continue to look for a touch of the center Bollinger Band, and I will only consider an additional entry on this pair here upon confirmation near the center Bollinger Band. That will come in the way of another bullish engulfing candle to continue the upward trend, or potentially a bearish engulfing candle indicating a trend reversal in the short term. I will bring you back if we have any confirmation on either leg for another potential entry here. In this instance, we did not get confirmation for an additional entry opportunity here, but as the saying goes, you want quality over quantity, and that can't apply more heavily than here with trading NADEX binary options. It is always best to have 1 or 2 premium trading opportunities as opposed to about 10 subpar trading opportunities where you could be more likely to incur a losing scenario. So in this instance, we definitely chose quality over quantity. We waited for our confirmations as outlined, and we got a fantastic short-term profit there for this position. If you want to see a more detailed but still simple and straightforward breakdown of how I find these perfect storm trading entries for more consistent long-term trading results, then be sure to check out my Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly which indicators I like to use and how I combine them together to find entries just like what you see here in this video. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program, where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting to you, those resources are down in the description and the comments below. Otherwise, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll be sure to incorporate more trade breakdowns in the future as well. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day out there today. Catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.